Namaskar, Team India. It's that time of the year again when we sit back, relax, regroup, and reflect on the year gone by. Hey, cut, guys. Guys, this year, I want to share the year-end message my way. It's a special year for all of us, so I want to keep it candid and share something. Still say, are you rolling? Great, let's walk the talk. Hello, hi, salam, namaste, Team India. This year, we have much to rejoice and be grateful for. We are celebrating Herbalife's 25th anniversary, which is a remarkable milestone. 2024 will forever hold a special place in Herbalife India's timeline as the year we completed 25 glorious years of helping people live their best lives. Silver Jubilee is no mean feat. Over the last 25 years, we have been guided by passion, purpose, and a collective drive to make a difference in people's lives. From a modest beginning with about 10 product offerings, we have expanded our portfolio to more than 45 products across various categories. That reminds me of yet another remarkable feat we achieved this year, the recent launch of the Herbalife skincare range, which consists of cleanser, toner, serum, and moisturizer. Do you want to meet the team who created this? Well, we have Jasmine from marketing. Hi, Jasmine. Come on, stand up and say hi to the camera there.
Hi, everyone.
Yeah. And we have the Herbalife girl, Pallavi. Hi, Pallavi.
Hi,
These are the two creators of Herbalife, along with our incredible team at the Center of Excellence. Well done, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Let's move to the next one. Another great initiative, the Eat Right India initiative launched by FSSAI, ensuring food safety. Not only that, another initiative was the skill enhancement and the fast-track training for over 300,000 distributors by 2026 in collaboration with the Food Regulator, Consumer Affairs, and the Ministry of Skill Development through Project Pro Vision. You want to see and meet the team who was behind this initiative? Follow me. Here we are with the guy from the Public Affairs team, aka who was behind this partnership and association with FSSAI. Proud?
Thank you, sir.
Proud of this guy for having this association. This year has been a very special year as we continue to give back to our society and our communities. Oh, hi, we have Shweta here. Shweta is our CSR lead, and this year we got awarded the 2 awards for CSR. The one was for women empowerment and the second one was for best initiative for environment. Brilliant, congratulations. Okay, so stay tuned and let's go to the next one, right? Let's go. Another incredible year for our events and sponsorships. We hosted 2 extravaganzas in 2024, one in Delhi and the other in Bangalore, to accommodate the region's growing needs. This is a testimony to our remarkable growth. From enabling holistic well-being through our annual event, Fit Families Fest, to sponsoring major sporting events like the Paris Olympic Games and Ironman 70.3 India to fuel athletes' drives and strengthen Herbalife Sports Nutrition portfolio as the preferred nutrition for the 24-hour athlete. We have added several feathers to our cap to position Herbalife as a premier nutrition company in India. Now, let's take a sneak peek into what the events and the marketing team is planning for the next big event in India. Follow me. Hi team!
Right.
Are you planning for the next big event?
We are working on next year, bigger and better.
I want to thank each of our employees, our incredible distributors, our preferred customers for making this journey of 25 years incredible. It has been full of excitement, passion and high energy. And here's to the next 25 years of Herbalife India's success, shared achievements and making a difference to our communities and building a strong platform for holistic well-being. By the way, you just took a tour of our incredible Herbalife India corporate office. And that's the team. Come on team, smile and let's wish everybody a very happy new year, a season's greeting, and here is to a new beginning. Let's go Herbalife!